Hello traders, FX Pep Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the US dollar yen, I do believe that that is the end of a wave C right there. If that is the end of a wave C, then this will end up continuing the downtrend, probably eventually taking out this low, because that is what happens when you have the end of a ABC correction, whether you're on the 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 month, or anything in between. So let's keep that in mind and head down to the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame is where you can start to see these first series of lower lows, lower highs for the wave 1. I still think there's a very good likelihood this move up is a complete wave 2, and I think that this move up that we're currently seeing right here is just a correction to this last move down, and it will end up continuing the downtrend. I think that we're already in a wave 3 and that it's already going down. So let's take it down even further to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement measuring this move right here, because this to me does look like an ABC correction. This right here does look like a trend, telling me that this move up right here is probably a correction to this last move down. We are at the 61.8, so if it makes an impulsive turn, I would definitely consider that the end of a correction, and I would definitely be going short for the continuation of this downtrend. Now, like I was saying on the last few days, the yen has been really driving the yen pairs up. So we kind of have a weak dollar versus a weak yen right now, which is not a very good combination for looking for trades. So personally, I would definitely be looking for the trades on other dollar pairs or other yen pairs. But going down to the 4 hour time frame, we have what looks to me like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of A. I think this move down is a corrective wave B. We have an uptrend for the C. That looked like the end of a correction at the time, but then it made 3 waves down, making a D, and another uptrend for the E. I would consider this respecting the 61.8, and it has made an impulsive move down, so it definitely is looking like it is ending a wave E. But like I said, I'm not really sure if I trust it, because, like I said, we have a weak yen versus a weak dollar. That's usually not a very good combination. We want weak versus strong, or strong versus weak. So, going down to the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, we do have a break of structure right here. That pretty much proves to me that this uptrend is over. It is close enough to the 61.8 for me to call it a hit. I think there's a good chance that is the end of a wave E. Like I said, I personally am not choosing this one to trade because we have a weak yen versus a weak dollar. But if that is the end of a correction, then it should continue the downtrend, just like all the other dollar pairs, telling me that I definitely am still going to be looking for shorts at the end of any ABC pullbacks that I may see, especially on the shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.